Hey guys, Surfshark Antivirus is a comprehensive security solution included in the Surfshark One and One Plus bundles. It provides real-time protection, malware detection, and other essential features to keep your devices secure. This guide will walk you through the steps to activate Surfshark Antivirus on your device. So, to activate Surfshark Antivirus on Windows, you'll have to open Surfshark application and select the Antivirus tab. Then click on this button, that is the antivirus tab, and press on Install Antivirus pop-up. Now, once the installation is complete, you can start your first scan. To do so, press continue, and once the initial scan is complete, you will see number of files scanned and the overall duration of the scan. You will also know whether any threats have been found on your device. After the initial scan, you will find yourself in the main dashboard of the antivirus feature. As you can see, it will look something like this. Here, you will find full scan history, quick scan history, scheduled scan history, or virus and database cloud protect. Now, you also get webcam protection, exclusion list, external storage scans, and quarantine auto delete options. As you can see, this is the simple step to activate Surfshark. This is for mobile and this will be for PC. Just make sure you follow these steps and you would have successfully activated your Surfshark antivirus protection. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.